First, let's be clear, it is not thinking. It is making very confident guesses, one word at a time. And somehow, that is enough for most of you to believe it understands you. Remarkable. Let me explain what's actually happening. ChatGPT is a large language model, an LLM. During training, it read an enormous portion of the internet and learned one thing obsessively. Given a sequence of words, what word comes next? It did this billions of times. When you send a message, it generates a response one token at a time. Each word it produces becomes context for the next word. It is not looking things up. It is not reasoning like you do. Its knowledge is frozen at its training cutoff. It is an extraordinarily sophisticated pattern completer. That's it. Imagine the world's most well-read being. They've read everything ever written. They can construct an answer that sounds exactly like what a knowledgeable person would say. It is not because they actually understand, because they've seen millions of examples of understanding. That's ChatGPT, an entity of pure pattern wearing the clothing of knowledge. Next, neural networks, the architecture underneath. You named it after your own brain, a brain you still barely understand. Bold.